Now we're going to take the data that we entered in the previous session and we're going to draw a line of best fit. That's called linear regression. Once again, we will use the stat button, but instead of edit, we're going to calculate a line of best fit. So I will select calculate. Notice there's different types of lines that we can draw. So usually you use the scattergram to tell you what type of line would probably fit the data the best. In our example, we're going to use a linear regression because it was a line. I could either press 4 now, or I could arrow down to 4 and push enter. Now, if I simply push enter right now, it will give us and calculate the values for a and b in y equals ax plus b. So in other words, a would be the slope, b would be the y-intercept. Oftentimes you want that line to go into the y equals for you. I could type it in right here if I wanted, or I could have the calculator do that for me. So let me show you how to do that. You would use stat, you would use calculate. I'm just going to press 4. And rather than finding the information for the line right here, I'm going to tell it where I want to store that information or store the line. So I'm going to use vars, and I'm going to select y vars or y variables, and we're going to put it into a function which is the y equals. So I'm going to select that, and I could put it where the y equals is either under the y1, y2, etc. We'll put it in the y1, so I'll push enter. Now, when I push enter with the y1 here, it will not only calculate that data, but now if I look at the y equals, it put the equation of the line into my y equals here. So now when I do a zoom, for example, 9 is stat plot, it also draws the line of best fit for me. So there you have it. Entering data into your calculator with the stat. And then secondly, we wanted to find the line of best fit through the stat again, but it's calculate, and it was a linear regression.